So today I am super excited to be doing an unboxing of the UGG's classic black short suede boot. I have wanted UGGs for the longest of time. I remember before I moved to Australia, my best friend said to me, I'm so devastated that you're leaving. I'm gonna miss you so much. Can you please get me some UGGs? So UGGs have always been synonymous with Australian fashion. They look incredibly comfortable. I cannot wait to get my feet in them, and we're gonna have a look at what they look like when you unbox them. Okay, so they come in this cardboard box. They've got a beautiful little paper, and then they're also protectively wrapped in this plastic. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm so excited to feel them. They look so soft and comfortable. Suede feels amazing. Super soft. The inside is the best bit. It's so soft. That's what it looks like from the back. It's got that beautiful little detail. The sole looks really cool. Looks quite grippy. Oops. This is what the front looks like. It's gorgeous. I cannot wait to try these on. It's the tag. So the authentic ones say UGG on them. And the only thing I'm worried about is kind of getting them dirty, as they are so delicate. It's that tag. What does the other one say? Water resistant. Oh, that's actually really surprising. I'm so happy about that. Should repel against water and other things. So UGGs are doing a Wear Your UGGs Day in support of the Black Dog Institute on the 1st of June, which is such a nice campaign. If you do buy a pair on that day, 10% of the sales will go towards them, which I think is just wonderful. So if you do own a pair, wear them. You can also make a donation independently of that. Entirely up to you. I will definitely be wearing mine. Oh my gosh, so fluffy. And this is what they look like on. I'm also going to show you what they would look like, say, if I was going to wear them out.